Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will discuss how we can install SSL certificate in our blog, or we can say how we can make our website more secure. And the SSL connectivity is completely free. You don't have to give any extra amount for that one, and it comes under within the hosting plan that we have purchased from ChemiCloud. So if you are directly coming to this video, then let me tell you, this is one of the video under our tutorial series for WordPress. In previous videos we saw how we can get a hosting service with free domain for lifetime, and we also discussed how we can purchase hosting, how we can install WordPress, and in today's video we are watching how we can install SSL. So I will put the link in the description for the whole playlist and the hosting providers, that is the ChemiCloud. You can also join to that websites and you can get a free domain for lifetime with hosting charge. Before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that all videos from this series or any video that I upload in my channel, you will get a notification for that. So first of all, in order to install SSL, we'll have to go to the cPanel. So that you can do by going to the client area of the ChemiCloud, and then you'll have to click on login to cPanel. So let me click on that, and this will redirect us to the cPanel console. And in cPanel console we'll have to search for a options called Let's Encrypt. Usually this option will be present under security, and here we can see that we have an option called Let's Encrypt SSL. So this is the free SSL service that we are getting along with the ChemiCloud hosting, and you just have to click on it. Here we will be able to see our domain name under issue a new certificate, and all these alternative names are present here. You just have to click on issue, and once you do that you will be redirected to this page, and here you'll have to come down and click on issue. You don't have to do anything, just click on issue, and here we can see that the SSL certificate is now installed onto your domain techyblogging.com. So just wait for some times because Apache is restarting in background. Within 2 to 3 minutes you will be able to access your domain with SSL. So this is our domain. As you can see here that this connection is not secure. Now as we have installed SSL, we can access this site over HTTPS. So let me type HTTPS colon and // and hit enter and see if the SSL is working fine or not. As you can see here, the SSL is working fine, and here we can see secure and HTTPS. So the SSL configuration is very much important because this will be helpful in your SEO ranking, because Google has already told that whichever website does not have SSL, their ranking will be lower in comparison to those websites who has SSL. And this SSL configuration you are getting it completely free with ChemiCloud. No extra charge for that one. So that's all for this video. Once again, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for new upcoming videos under this series. And in next video we will see how we can install a theme in our domain, that is techyblogging.com.